Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to change your hard drives or your upgrade your RAM in the Dell G3 15. This is from 2020. So basically what you do, you take screws there, here, here, and there's another one here, and one here, but these two, they don't come out. You just loosen them, and but the other ones up here, they come. So those are the ones from there. So basically, once you do that, you start. You can start here, but I started it this way with one of those plastic tools. So with this one, so you can you won't scratch it, no. And then basically, it's that easy. It just comes out. There we go. So this is the cover. Nothing is attached to it. It's very simple. And so this is how it looks inside. You got your two fans, your heat sinks, and this bay here is empty. And so you unscrew 1, 2, 3 screws, and then you that's it. It comes off, and the connection is there. The SATA connection is there, and then you hook it here. It clearly says there HD, so that's where you hook it. And this is your battery, and this is the big hard drive, the small one, so you can also change that. And for doing your RAM, is very simple. It's under here, there. You just unclip it, and there's two slots. There's another one here. So that's how simple it is. So I hope you guys find this useful. Thank you.